It's nice out now. Come on, Marley. Marley, do you have to go out? Come on. Marley plays hard to get, takes his time. Come on. I think you're gonna have a little bath today. It's a nice day today. Weather's really nice. Hi, Kai. You want to come out? Come on, Kai. Not that you can't get out on your own. Right. Ready to go back in? Come on. Let's go. Sparky, come on. Sparky's deaf. Marley, you're waiting very patiently. Aw. Alright. You guys coming in or are you staying out? Alright. May's figuring out the dog door a little bit, maybe. Come on, let's go.